Shalom Israel. Gonna do another video on when the day starts. Try to help break the spell that's been put on our people, having them believe that the day starts at evening time. Gonna give a couple little quick scriptures to show you when the work day actually begins, so you can get a little bit more understanding. You got John, 9 and 4. You got Psalms 104 and 3. You can read them for yourself. It's right there. I go work the works of him that has sent me while it is day. The night cometh when no man works. Psalms 104:23. Man goes forth into his work and to his labor until evening. So yeah, as you can see that it's the work is being done in the daytime. So when you read in Genesis 2, in Genesis 2, that he rested from his work, you should see that this is work. The yellow portions, that's the work that's being done. That's the work that's being done. And it works until evening. So now you can actually get a visual. These dark, the gray parts is from evening to morning. That's literally nighttime. I don't see how people can say the day starts at evening and then ends in the morning, and then that makes a complete day. You forgot about morning till evening. Just because Genesis 1:1 doesn't say morning right here, letting you know that it's morning, it doesn't. He says, "Let there be light." What about verse 1 and verse 2? Verse 1 and verse 2. If you go read John 20:1, that's what this portion is. That's verse 1 and verse 2. A little homework for you right there. Get into the habit of reading these things for yourself. You go read John 20:1, and you'll see that this is that portion of the day. It's the beginning of the day. It's the dawning of the day. You read all four gospels on it. Read all four gospels on it, and you'll see, the end of the Sabbath, the dawning of the day. Why it gives a full explanation. Those four gospels is going to give you a full explanation of when the day begins. And that's what this is. Verse 1 and verse 2. The darkness that he's seeing, there's light. The sun is coming up, but it's still dark. So that's getting a little out of what I made this video for. But as you can see, you got the light portion and then night. That's evening to morning. There's night. The verse 6, well, the end of the morning right here till evening right here. Evening to morning. What's in between evening to morning? It's the light. It's the day. So you can see the order. This was mainly for the order, so you could actually see the order. Daytime, nighttime. Daytime, nighttime. All the way till you get to the end, to the 6th day, 5th day. Here's the 6th day. Evening till morning. You can. This was done specifically so that I can show the order of the day. It's not hard to tell. Look. It's not hard to tell. If you took this out, you say the day starts at evening. Okay, we're gonna take this out for you. Let's take it out. So now it's evening, and then you got nighttime and then daytime, nighttime then daytime, nighttime then daytime, and it ends in nighttime. How could you start it at nighttime and end it at nighttime? That's the end of day 6. It's over. Then you go into day 7 in Genesis 2. It ends in morning right here. If it ends in morning, the day 7 starts in the morning. It's really not that difficult. So I hope this helps. It's a visual. Scriptures, some people just don't get the scriptures. You want to read, and the evening and the morning was the first day. See, the day started at evening. But what happened to all this? All this took place. This could not have taken place if time hasn't started yet? Time has started. When he calls the darkness night, since it's going in chronological order, what is the beginning of night? Evening? It's not even hard, y'all. You got to get out. You got that spell has to be broken. I hope this helps break that spell for real. I hope this helps break the spell. It's day, night, day, night, day, night, day, night. Till you get to the night. What's next? It's a day. Genesis 2. The seventh day starts. So, with that, Israel, I say shalom.